If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
So we're going to paint a wheelbarrow. Now there's a couple of ways in which you can paint a wheelbarrow, and we're going to do it, I guess, the easier way. This here's the wheelbarrow that we're going to paint. It's probably about 2.5, 3 yards, somewhere in that area. Now the way you would properly paint a wheelbarrow would be detach everything and put everything separately, paint it, let it dry, and then put it back together. However, this is a very old wheelbarrow, and the bolts and the wheel axle, we can get it apart, it just may not go back together, and I don't want to spend an afternoon repairing something that didn't need to be repaired. So we're going to tape things off as we paint it so it won't splatter and we won't get in places we don't want. So the first thing we needed to do was we scrubbed it off and we sprayed it with a hose to get all the residual dirt out of the wheelbarrow. Then I'm taking a block of 40 grit sandpaper and I'm working all the edges inside and out, all the surfaces, until I can get, you can kind of see here, as I'm sanding it, I am getting a lot of that older black paint off. So I'll do that, then we'll rinse it off with the hose again, I'll tape it up, and then we'll come back and we'll start painting it the way that we feel is the easiest, and we'll show you how we're going to do that. Okay, so we've got it sanded down to the best that we feel that we can get it. Then I've taped all the wooden areas so when we do spray, it will not get the wood wet or paint the wood. Now you can see that there is some black color that's still on here, and we could take and spend a lot of time working at it and getting every piece of little paint off of it like you would if you were redoing a car, for example. But this is a wheelbarrow, and it's about as good as we feel that we want to get it. And so now we'll start painting it. Now Holly wants to paint it purple, so we'll start with the actual inside first. Now when you're doing painting, you want to make sure you get a paint that is designed for metal. Wood paint doesn't work for metal, so you want to make sure you have that. We're going to use a spray paint here, just a regular purple. Dries in 25 minutes or less. It's a nice hot summer day. You want to be about a foot away from the actual item in which you're painting. And quick strokes, you don't want to sit there and spray because then it will bubble up and you'll get too much in one area. So you can see, quick motions. You're not going to get it all coated in one time, in one paint. So we're going to paint it all, and then we'll come back and we'll paint it again. We'll do 2 or 3 layers on this, and then we'll get it all done.
Okay, so we taped it off and we did a few coats of the purple on it, and we're very pleased with how it looks. Again, it was just an old wheelbarrow our neighbor gave us, and this is how we did it. It could be a how-to for you, but this is how we chose to give this wheelbarrow a nice little makeover. For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.